Hey, this is James again with JJ Media and Online Services. Today I am bringing you a way to get free music for your video. Many of videos that you see, in fact I do it with several of mine, I haven't here lately, but have music playing in the background. Well, there are things that you can and cannot do, and you have to be very careful to make sure that you do not have copyrighted music. So I'm going to show you a way to get free music, to have music playing in the background of any video you do. So won't you come along with me to the computer and we will show you how to get it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you share our video with all of your friends. Thank you again. Let's go to the computer. Alright, as you see here, we do have a YouTube library, and one of the things I want to show you is on your dashboard, you actually have to log in to your YouTube channel, and it's actually the YouTube audio library / music. So on your dashboard, you have to be in the Creator Studio or the beta version studio, and then you can go. What actually I have done is I save this link, that way I can always go to it. So to get to the audio library, and again I have it saved as a link, but you have to be in the studio beta version, and on the inside of your YouTube channel, then you can go down to other features, and right there is a link for the audio library. So one of the things that you can actually do, you can actually go through, of course you can actually play the audio that you want to hear, and with playing it, you can preview it. You can also select the mood that you want, the type of instrument, the duration, and attribution not required or attribution required. What that does is attribution, or basically you are referring to who the music is. So if you don't want to have to do that, you can select that, and this shows all the free music. It says the download free music for your project. And to download it, you can actually go over here and download whichever song that you desire. But you can preview it. Another neat thing about it is they also have sound effects in the library. So with the sound effects, you can kind of add in for your video the crash and just different things. In fact, we'll let this load and see what all. I haven't looked in the sound effects lately, so as this loads, we'll wait on it. So here are just a few of the sound effects they have, and it just keeps opening up and opening up. I mean, look, air nailer, air tank leak, slow. There's a bunch of different things. You can pull down the category, and they have the different categories that you can select from. Say you're doing a podcast and you want crowds. That's pretty cool. Actually, a lot of people do podcast on YouTube, and you can search the sound effects. So that is a way to actually add music, and what I would actually do is go ahead and put a link in your video to be able to talk about or to link to whose music it is. So I hope that you have enjoyed this. I am trying to be very very quick in doing daily videos or every other day about little tips please subscribe. Also click the links, follow in our video description, and you can follow us on our social media, share it, and also I'm giving away free video intros. All you have to do is click the link. I'm actually going to be putting that in the description now. Also, you can comment below and video intro, and we will have a link for you in the comment. So thank you for watching, and I do want to say that it is a pleasure bringing different videos. If you have a topic or something you would like to have research done about in the online venue, like keywords or different things, I'm an online marketer, so I do different things. Send me an email at james@jjmediaonline.net or comment below one of my videos, and we will try to do up some info for you. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to our videos, and we will look forward to seeing you in the next video.